Yo guys, we're back with another item shop video. If you guys do enjoy these item shop videos, I post these every single day. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you do not miss another one of these item shop videos. Without further ado, let's see what we got in today's shop. Oh my gosh. Yep, you already know. Kodak. That's a definite bet. Cuddle team leader. That's a definite bet. Hazard agent. Toxic trooper. We're gonna buy the auto cleave just because I like buying pickaxes. So the Valentine's Day skins come out again. The hazard agent, toxic trooper, auto cleave, and meltdown come out again. I bought the whole set. Chromium and diecast are both out. We're gonna buy Lucky. They have some cool emotes in the store today, which is very cool because they don't really have that many emotes that I like normally. We're gonna check out Flapper. So that is a pretty rare emote that did come out. Now we're gonna check out Twist. Those are some pretty cool emotes. We have Diecast, Chromium, Lucky, Warthog, Twist, Flapper, Meltdown, Auto Cleave, Toxic Trooper, Hazard Agent, Cuddle Team, Love Ranger, and Kodak. That is all for this item shop video. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure you leave me a like. And if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. If you guys are interested in any more of my videos, make sure you go ahead and check those out. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.